Hauzik lamdam asa thokliba irang asi mahosagi fibam damuk hanjilhanba haibasi lamdam asi KANGLUP PHURUP khudingmaki nupi singna Mang Thana Hotnaraba Matamdata Oithokkani HAINA National Commission for Women gi CHAIRPERSON REKHA SHARMA PHONGDORAKLI Wafam asing asi ahanba Manipur Rifles ki banquet hall pangthokpa thoram ama yawba lakpada makna paumi singda phongdokhibani Hauzik lamdam asa thokliba irang asi ki matangda paumi singna hangba wahang amagi paukhom piratuna REKHA SHARMA na hai Hauzik lamdam asa thokliba irang asi mahosagi fibamda hanjilaknaba Miyamna Hotnaba Changi, Irang asi mahosagi fibamda hanjilaknaba Hotnaba KANGLUP PHURUP Khaitana, Lamdam asiki nupi singha choba thodang loba yamna mathau tai, Hiram asiki matangda mahakna tongan ba PHURUP singi nupi singa wari sanakrai, Karingma KANGLUP PHURUP khudingmaki nupi singna mang thaduna, Irang asi loisinana Hotnarabadi Lamdam asida Tangdu Leitaba soituna, Hanjilakani habigi thasavlei haina makta makhataki.
Gender sensitization not about rights. I touched that point, but it is not about how to act in the riots or anything. It is about how to behave with the women complainants. When the women comes, how police should behave with them, how they should give priority to their problems and help them out to come out of those problems. I think people should also get involved to get the situation now normal, and I talk to the women of both the groups so that they should come forward and normalize the situation. The women should take the lead to normalize the situation in the state, and I've talked to the Kuki women, I've talked to the Methi women, I talked to the Naga women. If all the groups come forward, women groups come forward, things will be better, and I think the normalization of the society will happen only when the women come forward.